Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night, to whenever you're watching this. Today, my family and I are going to explore an abandoned ghost town, as you could see by the title of this video. And I figured I'd take you guys along. So let's get in the car and head over. Okay, we're here at Calico Ghost Town. We got the dogs. Lulu's back there. She's coming.
She's coming.
So far, it doesn't really look like a ghost town. There's a lot of people.
And I think like shops are open and stuff. So not what we expected.
And we're about to go in there, which is where all of the little shops and stuff are. I can't tell if this is man-made or not. Obviously it's man-made,
this is
but
just like a historic ghost town. They used to do like silver mining, I think in the 1800s or something like that. So they just have the,
Bambi! Okay, crisis averted. Here's the ghost town. This looks like it's a restaurant. Cute.
What do you think that is? Oh, it's like a mine or something.
What?
Oh, this is like the little thing where they find little chunks of gold and silver.
Maybe, yeah.
Like a sifter.
Now we got to the fire hall. This is a steam fire engine. Here you go, if you want to read that. I don't think any of you will. I didn't. I feel like we're near Holes, the movie, wherever they shot that.
So I want to go climb that rock because I saw people up on there.
What rock?
See it?
That rock?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're on our way to go to the rock. We're walking on a bridge. This whole side of this little house is made out of glass bottles.
Wow.
That's very cool. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, we're getting closer to the rock. There it is. Let's go. Made it up here. There's my family. Hi, Lonnie. I'm pretty high up, as you can see. I'm like out of breath. There's a lot of cool little like rock formations, as you can see here. I wonder like what it actually looked like when it was in use, you know? The world may never know. This is an entrance to the Maggie mine. They built this like staircase out right here. Warning, dangerous mine shafts do not pass beyond this point. But what if I want to? That'd be so cool, I want to go in there. Anyways, let me see if I can get through here. I don't think I can. Oh my gosh, that is so spooky. This thing works. Those are horror movie sounds for sure. I need Lonnie to come down here. Hold on.
Why does it sound like this?
It sounds like a horror movie.
Oh my god.
Listen. It was making...
Oh my god.
People are coming. Run away. All right, apparently that was the exit, so we can't enter through there, sadly. All right, here's a little, I guess, grocery store. Looks like this. And this is their prices. Books were free. All right, we took some Instagram pictures. I'm gonna insert them right here. Follow me on Instagram at @BoleroSarhad. Do you want a shout out?
Yeah, why not? Follow me on Instagram at Make-A-Wish.
Make-A-Wish.
Yeah, because when I say Make-A-Wish, everyone says, oh, that's not how you pronounce it because there's no E. So instead of an E, it's a double A.
Anyways,
she'll put it here.
I'll put it on screen. I think we're gonna go get some ice cream now. Apparently there's an ice cream shop here somewhere. I think I'm gonna try this. It's a blue cream soda. There's two types of people in this world. We are the two types.
Thank you much. Have a great day, you guys.
You too. All right, let's see what this tastes like. It's probably gonna be gross. It tastes exactly like what you think it would taste like. It's kind of good. You wanna try it?
This one or that one?
Ew.
It tastes like a melted blue raspberry freezy.
Guys, I think we just hit the jackpot.
Look at all that gold.
All right, so I think our next stop is the general store because I want to see what kind of knickknacks they have in there. We found this station where you can pick out your own geodes, and they turn out something like this.
After you crack them open.
We're gonna pick some and crack them open at home.
I'm getting a small and a big one.
All right, so we're heading home now. It's time to get in the car and I'll catch you when we're there. Okay, we're back home and we have our geodes here and our tools right here. And now we just gotta get started and see what it looks like when we crack these things open.
So we asked the workers at the store what tools to use to crack these open, and they recommended this.
A hammer and a flathead screwdriver.
So these are the two geodes again, the small one and the bigger one.
Okay, we've been informed that we will break this table if we hammer on top of it, so.
Got a big piece of wood.
What's supposed to happen here? Bruh, I made a little dent in it.
Nothing's happening.
I don't know why I thought this would be really easy to do.
Yeah,
wait, listen. Can you hear that?
Oh!
Should we just throw them?
Yeah, she said that you could also just throw them.
Okay, let's throw them.
Wait. Not both of them. Let's try one.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, that did something.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Wow.
Wow.
Wait,
that's
look at
so
the big
cool.
piece. Ooh! That's very nice. That's so cute. It's so sparkly. Okay, you want to throw this one? I throw it hard. I threw it as hard as I could. We're gonna try the big one now. Oh! I almost got hit! Wow. No, I like this one better.
You almost died.
Yeah, I wonder if you could see the piece that goes flying at me. Rewind the clip if you can. Here are the final products of our geodes. That was cool. That was worth it.
That was really fun.
If you go to this ghost town, buy some of these geodes.
The small one was like $3 and the bigger one was $5. And they had even bigger ones like this big, maybe $15 or something. So yeah, get what you want.
Anyways, we're gonna do a little final thoughts on the trip today. I thought it was cool. I feel like it's more cool for like younger kids.
You can pay to do like little tours, and they had a train, so if you're a kid, like you can go on this little train and I'm sure they teach you things. So it was fun, you know.
It's cool for like Instagram pictures too, like if you want like some old town western Instagram pictures. We took some drone photos like you guys saw, and there's cool like rock formations and stuff like that. So if you want to go, it's worth it.
Yeah, it's only like 2 hours, maybe 3 hours away from LA.
It was around $8 per person, so not too much, and you get like a full day out of it basically.
Yeah, and they had like restaurants and stuff. We didn't really eat there, we brought our own food, but you can do that if you want to, make a whole day out of it.
And if you have the means to, there is a bunch of off-roading trails all around the town, so that's another thing you could do while you're there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My username is @BolettoSarhad. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!